Shonyango mabende koro ne owale koda Gavana e kaunti ma Homa Bay Gladys Wanga mar mondo mi koro bere Jalup ne odiochienge ma kawuono koro dawgi koda komiti manendo mar od buch kaunti ma Homa Bay ka otele koda speaker kata jatatwaka manendo Polycarp Okombo. Jotelo nendo mabende omako migawo nendo ma ochung'ne apeyni kaachiel koda pur gi pith mabende ne omiye bang' ne ma kanyendo mane Jalup Gavana Joseph Oyugi Magwanga osingo ni ka opuodhe koda komiti onogo to dhi neno ni chenro duto mag dongruoge koda singo mane gisingo e kinde yiero nendo ma okalo koro chopo kare. Oyango bende ne oikore mar mako lemo makamago momako gi kinde nindi kaachiel bende koda lemo nendo mar Jalup Gavana ma osingo mar biro neno ni otie yo nendo makare kendo onge ywaruok moro amora mabiro bedo e kinde koda Gavana Gladys Wanga.
By this committee.
In our wisdom, the governor considered me and nominated me officially and communicated to the assembly as the nominee for the position of DG Homa Bay. Today was the day of vetting. I've gone through the vetting. The committee chaired by the Speaker of this Honorable House, County Assembly of Homa Bay, and I am certain that they will consider my nomination. Two, I must also say that the committee has handled me well, and therefore I think in their own wisdom they'll make their decision. If I am successful, if I'm successfully approved, then appointed for this position, I commit that I will help the governor achieve her mandate in the remaining months in her first term. You know, the governor is having her first term. She's implementing a manifesto, the 10-point agenda that cuts across various sectors, from roads, water, agriculture, environment, education, trades, health, all the departments. It is important that if I am successful, I support her in our endeavor to realize the manifesto so that the living standards of our people in Homa Bay can improve. That is my commitment. I'm committed to perform. Yeah, I'm committed to perform as assigned by the governor. On the issue of contractors complaining about pending bills, it's a whole government challenge. It's not specifically on roads. We have contractors that have worked under other departments too. So we look at it as a government. What mechanism do we put in place as a government to ensure that all our contractors, you know, as a DG now, you cannot just focus on roads. I think my strength is that I believe, first of all, in the person of the governor. I believe in her. I believe in her manifesto. And secondly, once you believe in her manifesto, then you are bound to have very minimal conflicts.